go. I was trying to do something technical over here and I crashed OBS. I had to restart everything. That's why I'm running late now. All right, here we go. System should be coming up. Check, check, check. Good morning, everybody. Thank you all for being here. I see everybody starting to roll in out of bed. That's nice. Moderators, if you would,
YouTube's
let me know.
up and
there it is.
Yep, YouTube's up and you sound fine.
Thank you. Now we need to see if they can hear everybody in the Zoom. Hopefully.
Testing, 1, 2, testing.
Check microphone, check. Yeah,
YouTube's up. Yep, it's around. It's good.
All right, thank you. Nice, nice. Super chats are available over there on the YouTubes. Everybody do me a favor right now. Share out wherever you're seeing us to X, LinkedIn, Facebook, Craigslist, Twitch, Twitter, Rumble, Kick, all the things. Do it. Send it all out. Share it to everywhere. Let's see if we can get this super jamming today. TikTok is taking an unusually long time to start feeding people in here right now. Good morning. It's going to be another exciting day here on September 19th. I was looking at the clock. Oh, speaking of the clock, is my clock on point today or is it off? Just curious if it's
good. Looks good to me.
2 seconds,
Like
3 seconds.
maybe 1 second behind, but
okay. Yeah, and that could be the delay. So 1 second could be all right. Yeah, good. Okay, so the clock is is staying accurate now. Yay! All right.
I know you're happy about that.
Yeah, it was so weird. That was a weird thing. If I stand today, because I have my mat in here, I'm going to try to stand so I don't have to sit here the whole time. Though that'll be exciting. Hopefully we don't blow anything up, rip any cords out, nothing weird. So the whole stream just goes, boot.
He stood up.
Like when the TV used to turn off at like 3 a.m. and just go. Like, well, that'll do it then. Nice.
We'll know. We'll know.
For sure. Happy Apple Day for all of those out there who celebrate. You should be getting your shiny new Apple devices today. You're going to get your new iPhones. You got your iPhone Air, iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, iPhone 17 Pro Max, your AirPod Pro 3s. That'll be exciting for everybody. Congratulations on anybody who was able to scoop any of those up. Check with your carrier, by the way. There are some really cool deals. I saw Verizon had one. It was like $1,100 trade-in or something ridiculous. And then they just apply it towards your line. So I saw something with that. That looked pretty cool. I always buy directly from Apple, so I don't ever do any of that. But I did see some really cool trade-in values. So they're obviously trying to get those new devices in your pockets. So I'll have all of them coming in today. I bought one of everything, so we'll try it out. Oh, and the Apple Watch Ultra 3 and Apple Watch 11 will also be out today. So I'm wearing my old Apple Watch Ultra. This thing is awesome. I can't believe this. And I didn't even know this. I've had this watch for 3 years. I don't know if you guys can see it. There you go. If you know me, right, I don't have technology longer than when new technology came out. But what happened is when the Apple Watch Ultra 2 came out, you know, normally it's like, oh, it gets a spec bump and a little bit of, they didn't really do anything at all. It was the first time ever I didn't upgrade to the newer Apple Watch Ultra. 3 years later, I've used this pretty much every day in between, you know, goofing around with all my other stuff. There's not a single scratch on this watch, this titanium watch with the sapphire glass. I mean, not a scratch. 3 years every day, hiking, bike riding, right? Doing all the things. I used to ride, 20 miles a day on my bike, do all sorts of ridiculous stuff, wiping out. I've crashed and, all sorts. Not a scratch.
See, that's where the value comes from.
Yes.
That's nuts.
And here's what's even crazier. So I've owned this for 3 years. I think back then we paid 700, 800. I don't know what the cost was back then. They're giving me $400 for a trade-in on it. So I've owned it for 3 years. I'm getting half of it back to get the new one. It's like, that's
wow.
That's crazy. That's that's one good thing, whether you like Apple or not, man. It really holds its value, doesn't it?
It does.
Yep.
It does. Same with the phones, they will
Yes.
go ahead, especially if it's in reasonably good condition.
That's right.
And boom, upgrade is so easy. You don't even need money.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, they're giving me $700 on my iPhone 16 Pro Max. And if I sold it outright, I'd get maybe $100 more, but then I got to deal with the shipping and the, boxing it and all the stuff and hoping you get it and, all the things. And I'm like, done. Just go. I'm just kind of goofing around tech, but I wanted to show you guys what you could do with your wallpapers. I don't know if you knew this with your iOS. Give you a little something different today. Check this out. So this is the clock. Now this is, oh, you know what? Hold on. Let me turn on the video feed for you guys too for Zoom. Hold on. Hold on. Wrong camera. Hold. Integrated camera. There we go. There it is. Okay. Zoom. Can you guys see me now too?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Here's the wallpaper. Check out the clock
kinda
wallpaper. It'll come back. If it's blurry, it's on your end. It should be coming in high quality. Yes.
I'm blurry too.
How is that blurry?
I think it's because of your the screen, the background kind of is blurring it out.
Oh,
It's not in front of.
Oh, I got you. It's doing like some sort of blur
There's
effect. Yeah.
It's like there's
okay.
also glare on the screen too.
All right, let me look. Adjust for low light. I don't need that. HD video.
It could also be those morning drinkers.
Yeah, I don't have anything that should be causing is the blurring out. Here, let me try to get it. Tell me if you guys can see it.
Yeah.
Right there.
Okay.
I see it.
Right when it's in front of your body, you can see it, but if you move it past your shoulder,
I got you.
it
So it's only keeping me in focus. Okay. But look at the clock you guys can do, right? Now I know this sounds crazy, but see the wallpaper? The clock's going behind the wallpaper. That's iOS 26. Can you guys see that?
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Isn't that cool?
Like it's floating behind.
Yeah, isn't that neat?
Yep.
It is. So it stays on.
Yeah, and the cool thing is, because it's got that big giant clock like that, when you've got your phone setting on like, your charger or wireless charger or whatever you're using, you've got a big, beautiful clock, right? So that's iOS 26. Also, I was showing you guys, look, I changed it again. Can you see that? So everything is customizable now with your iOS 26. But look how cool that looks, right? All the icons are brown to match
Pretty
the
cool.
pavement behind my wife. See it all?
Oh, that's pretty cool.
So the transition goes from that, right, to that. It's kind of neat. So anyways,
Sweet.
you guys can do all of that fun stuff. iOS 26 is out. Go check it out. If you've got an iPad, it's going to change your life because you now have window mode you guys can do with your iPads now. You've never been able to do that before. So everybody's like, oh, I want to get an Android tablet or a Windows laptop. You can do all the same stuff pretty much. I mean, the file system's not as good, but I'm just saying you can now resize all of your windows with your iPads, right? Which is incredible. So multitasking to the max. No more of that stage manager, fake, half garbage window stuff, right? But anyways, it is Friday. We'll have a little bit of fun today. I've got a big, huge sale going on for today and today only. I opened up 2 available Diamond Lifetime memberships for $10K. Here's the kicker with that, though. I'm also going to give you a free one-on-one with me. That's a $6,000 value. So if you get today a Diamond Lifetime membership, which are not available anymore. I have 2. You guys can also get one-on-one with me, 6K for an hour. It's free. It's included. Moderators, let me know when those are gone. 2. You get 2. First come, first served. That's it. That's all. Appreciate you. All right, let's get this party started. Let me open this up. We got about 12 minutes to the bell. I've got the old iPad next to me right now. There we go. Real quick, I want to thank my moderators. Thank you to Bucko, Eminem, Bruno, Unhappily Housewife, Ralph, Doug, Eric's Moto, David, Miranda, Don, Palm Coast, Richard, Mark, Chris, Jeffrey, Mountain Man, Gilly, Diesel Dan, and Juan, our full-time video editor.
Oh, you rearranged the list, huh?
Well, it's because it's coming off my iPad, so the list is different. Yeah. I'm literally just using the permissions to see who's a member inside of that room. Normally upstairs, I've got a giant notepad just for the moderator, so I don't forget anybody. Thank you to all my military family. Anybody that's serving or that has served, thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day here. Along with my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you.
Rock and roll.
Ba 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 ba. Nice. Thank you so much. Should be here all week. Don't forget to tip your moderators. Appreciate you. All right, it's 9:20. Remember, it's going to be fast and furious in the first 30 minutes of the bell from 9:30 to 10 o'clock. If you're a new trader, do not trade in those first 30 minutes. Also, if you're a new trader, make sure you are paper trading and simulate trading only while you are inside of this room and training. Make sure you understand everything until you are going with a live account. Also, do not lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value in any given day. And if you have 2 red days in a row, go ahead and take the next month off because you are obviously not ready to go. Make sure you journal your trades. That's what I need down here, by the way, is my notepad for journaling. Make sure you guys journal each and every single day. Also go in with small position sizes that'll allow the runners to run and stop out the losers. If you're a new trader as well, make sure you guys are looking at stocks versus options, futures, anything else. I want you guys to start with stocks. Make sure you guys are looking for, 1 to 5 different stocks that you like. Obviously, we'll be calling out SPY, some of the hot stock picks. Apple, of course, because we use Apple a lot with our 2-minute EWO, which is a strategy I have designed and developed after being in the stock market for 33 years. Some days I feel like it's just a broken record. Just say the things, coach. Just say the things and do the stuff, coach. Do the dance, you monkey, dance. Dance. Do the things, monkey boy, do it. If you guys have ever ran any type of live show or any type of training, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You just have to kind of go through the motions so everybody understands what they're doing, and that's how we got everybody inside of the room. So I appreciate everybody allowing me to do that. Thank you.
I love the radio voice. That's awesome.
It's just like,
Nice.
sometimes it's so annoying to hear myself. I just I wish I didn't have to say it all the time. But if I didn't say it, nobody would know what we're trying to do. So those are all the things.
Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da.
Yeah, ba-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da. So here we go. Okay, I got, all right, I think my microphone arm is going to need Cialis or something because it's, I need my soundboard. Somebody hit the soundboard. It's going to need Cialis because my mic arm is not able to stay up. Sorry, bad joke. Sorry.
The tensioners are weak. Is that what it is?
Sorry, not sponsored by. Come on, you can do it. Stay up there. Come on. Okay. All right, let's see. I gotta. All right. Hopefully that'll work. Okay. Sorry, kids. If you had kids in the room, good thing for you. They don't even understand. They don't even know what I just said. So don't worry about it. And there it goes. Okay. Dang it.
Could it be the
Family-friendly
tensioners?
show.
It is a family-friendly show. Thank you. Thank you so much. All right, I don't know. I got to get this tensioner tighter. Hold on a minute. Bear with me. We're having technical difficulties here.
Hang the damn thing from the ceiling.
Oh, that would be something. Yeah. If only I didn't have 20-foot tall ceilings, right? That would be great. Okay. All right, I think that'll do it. All right, let's see what's happening. Good thing for you guys, I got the action cam, so it followed me the whole way. All right, here we go. Come on, you can, yeah! Oh, okay, we're good. All right, we good? Everybody good?
Yeah, we're good.
All right. Okay, that's nice. Popsicle, pop, pop, pop. Everybody can hear and see me okay? Make sure you type in a 1 on all the things. If you guys can hear and see me okay and all the free broadcast stuff we have out there, please go ahead and type in a 1 right now. Appreciate you. Zachy says you're the best. No, you're the best. I appreciate you. All right, let's see. Please, can you give your opinion on NTSK? It just started its IPO, and it was overbought yesterday. Well, let's take a peek at it real quick. NTSK. Yeah, spiked up to $24. Let's see. Major run around $23. I can see a ton of traffic. Yeah, which is starting to fall back to. I think anything above that $23, you're going to be okay. But anything below that, I don't like it. I don't like it. Just trade the trades, right? Always trade the trades. Popped up to 24 in the pre-market. The good thing it's shares, right? So you guys are at least able to sell that off. It's not like options where you're stuck with it waiting for the opening bell. We got about 5 minutes. Real quick, if you guys are interested in joining us, go to americandreamtrading.com. You guys can join the community. It's absolutely free. We also have a free premium membership, which is includes stocks and options training. You'll be in here with us live every single morning from 8:45 until 4 o'clock. You get the hot stock picks, the pre-market setup, the IPO center, so you'll know about those exciting new IPOs that come out. And you'll get some training videos to get you started. I believe we have 11 training videos to get you started. That is free for a week. After that, it will renew at its regular rate at $125 a month. We also have a free week for crypto. After that, it renews at $50 and a free week for futures. If you're interested in futures and training over there with Mark and Ralph and who we got over there? Ange, some of the others that are over there. You guys can head over to the futures side. After that, it renews at its regular rate at $250 a month. It costs a little bit more because it includes the TradingView indicators. If you guys are planning on using our TradingView indicators with some of those memberships like VIP Gold, Diamond, Futures, etc., you will be required to have a subscription to TradingView, which is about $15 a month. Lots of good things going on. Remember, we will never send you a direct request. We will never send you a friend request or a direct message. That is a bannable offense over on our server. Don't forget, every week we have onboarding, live onboarding. So if you want to get some help with our navigating the server, different times, how to set things up, you can do that, get set up. Right now, the deal that we have running is, like I said, if you guys want to get a Diamond Lifetime membership, this is one of your only chances. I'm just trying to sneak in a couple because yesterday I gave one to a member. So I thought it'd be fair to give it to a couple more people that have been asking about it every day. It has been shut down forever. With the Diamond Lifetime membership, you will get access to all of our membership services. If everything from today and moving forward for all membership services. So if stocks, options, futures, crypto, VIP Gold, like literally everything. The mentorship classes that we put on once a week, all the gold breakout rooms, the advanced help desk support, 1 hour of tech support per year. We'll be able to come in there and help you guys out. All sorts of good stuff to get you started. Right now, that is $10K. With that $10K, I will also, for only 2 spots, include a free one-on-one with me. That is a $6K value. So today, if you wanted to get a Diamond Lifetime membership, you've been like, wow, I really wish I would have got that before Coach closed those down. Today, you can get it. I have 2 spots available, $10K, and I'll also throw in a free one-on-one. Speaking of one-on-ones, I have mentorships available with myself for a full year. If you want to meet with me once per week for a full year, that is 52 training sessions. That's 100K per year. If you guys want to do it twice a month, that is 50K a year. Sign up. Also, we have those available if you want to sign up with David. He will do the same thing. And I believe David's are 5K for the year for 1 hour a week, if I'm not mistaken, or 2,500 if you guys wanted to do the twice a month. So super values going on over there. We got about 1 minute to the bell. Make sure nobody goes rogue. And real quick, legal. American Dream Trading, myself, Chad, Christian, and anybody else associated with us. None of us are financial, tax, or investment advisors. Everything we discuss is for training and education purposes only. Thank you. Appreciate you guys. Listen, 45 seconds to the bell. Remember, if it ran up in the pre-market, expected to pull back at the open. Doesn't always happen that way, but most likely more than not. Also, make sure you guys have already set up your pre-market high, pre-market low, previous day high, and previous day low. That will help you get started right away. Apple's already in a 2-minute EWO on Apple Day here. It's up 1.5%. Doesn't mean it's going to stay up there. Apple's had a tendency to pop at the open and then pull back. We'll see what it's going to want to do, but I know they opened up the New York Apple Store today. I saw that live this morning. It was a really cool event. I hope you guys all get a chance to check that out. I love your faces. We got about 5 seconds to the bell, everybody. Make sure you guys are trading appropriately. Keep your arms and hands inside of the vehicles all the time. And thank you for riding at Cedar Point. Here we go. The bell has rang. Let's rock and roll today, ladies and gentlemen. Let's do
Rock
it.
and roll.
Let's do it, do it, do it. Here we go. Looks like SPY's already pulling back at the open. Remember, it ran up in the pre-market, so now we're getting the sell-off at the open. Apple continuing to climb up 1.5% right now. Apple, want to see it break that 241.70. I have a 6-star trade if it does. Remember, like I said, though, Apple's been popping at the open and then pulling back, so just be careful. But again, big news. Apple's going to be on every news, media, everything all day today, right? Okay, great. Remember, if you guys have a call out, make sure you get in that microphone, get in, get out. Help us out. 2-minute EWOs, I want to hear about all of them. Thank you. SPY still continuing to pull back.
Are we with a big candle this morning? Up.
Okay, thank you. Right here, looks like SPY's coming down to the 200 on the 1 minute. 200 on the 1 minute. I got support showing at 661.68. So 661.70 right here. Showing support for SPY right there. It's your first level of support. That was also an area on pre-market. That is 661.70. You check on the Qs.
IWM breaking below the 200.
Thank you. The Qs are off to a good start this morning. We'll see if it can actually hold, though. Remember, it popped at the, or it ran up in the pre-market, so still looking for a pullback on the Qs over there. Yeah, IWM, huge pull to the downside. Same thing, ran up in the pre-market, pulled at the open. SPY down there touching that 661.70 again. Everybody sees that for support so far. 661.70, also the 200 sitting there. Clicked the wrong button. That costed me. Tried to move my stop down, and I accidentally grabbed the EWO down there. Did you guys catch that? Whoops. SPY still pulling back, still looking to break through on SPY at 661.70. 661.70. Still looking for that break. SPY now trying to break through that 200 right there.
Kind of feels like it wants to reach down to that 661.20.
Yep.
IWM pre-market low is at 244.47.
All right, thank you. What's Apple doing? Apple's still in a 2-minute EWO to the upside. Okay, great. Well, how's Amazon look? How's Google look? How's Microsoft look? What about NVIDIA? I haven't heard anything about NVIDIA today.
Amazon is undecided. Google is pulling back.
Thank you.
It's in a first 2-minute red EWM.
All right, thank you.
Google. NVIDIA is flat.
Wow, this is
Still
just
trying to make up its mind, coach. We
yeah,
got a
this
lot of
is
indecision.
monster candles over here from what I'm trading on this. Just huge candles. I got a 20 stop on the ticks and it's getting triggered every time. I'm gonna have to go to 40 for it. Crazy. SPY still pulling back. I've got 661.34 next. Looking at SPY still below the 200. Anybody in that shorting it? Nice. SPY still to the downside here. That's my next level of support right there. 661.34 from previous day.
Tesla and a 2-minute EW to the upside.
All right. Thank you. Good call on that. SPY touch 661.32. Was off by 2 cents. Don't hold it against me. Not sponsored by Diet Mountain Dew, but that is delicious. All right. So again, SPY bounced off that 661.32, which I had it at 34. So it's real close in this area. Bounced back up to the 200. See if it's going to pull back again here now. Apple still making highs over there. I can see it. It's still climbing up. It's good news for Apple 2-minute EWO, isn't it?
35%.
Oh, I love it. And you got those super discounted deals today, right, partner?
Yes, sir. And I've already, well, I saved on pretty heavy because I went in pretty heavy.
Yeah.
So I've already locked in over $5,000.
Oh my gosh, I love to hear it. Nice job, partner. How many contracts did you hit today? 100, 150?
100.
Nice job. Good job. Love it. So still hovering around the same area. Had to really open up my stop on that. So going in smaller and opening my stop. SPY still showing support at 661.30. So
It's moving slow. Nobody's sticking their neck out
oh,
today.
I know. It is. Yeah, it's crazy. There we go. That's the pull I was looking for. Come on. More. Come on. I want to see us come all the way down. I'll move it right here. Take it for 200. I'll take Stocks that barely move for 200. Palm.
Funny, I chose the same thing.
Yeah, nice. You got a daily double then. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Oh. Come on, baby. I want to see this get down there, break that 631.30 area. A lot, just all sorts of garbage traffic, though, below that in the pre-market. Just a mess down there. Ugh.
Is there some news on Oracle
On which one?
doing good today? Oracle.
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 Oracle, let me look. Thank you. Nope. It's just running because it's, I had big news the other day, so it's still a continuation off of that.
Okay, thank you.
Yep. Good call on that, though. It's still looking good. Apple, there goes Apple pulling below. So it got up to 242.70. Good job on shedding all that over there, right, David? That's why we collect as it goes, right, partner?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
He hears laugh at the end. I love it.
Yeah.
That's
I heard the
great.
happy dance in his
Yeah,
voice.
exactly. Me too.
Well, and then I had 242.25 from the higher time frames.
Yeah.
So we start dancing over there, and I'm like, nah, I'm gonna take some. And then we hit it the second time, and it dances above it. I'm gonna take some.
Yep.
And then the third time, I'm gonna take some. And I was like, okay, well that's it. If it runs out, it runs out. But I was like, I'm not gonna hold on forever. Especially it's Friday. You never know. It could come back and chop for the rest of the afternoon.
Heck yeah. Heck yeah.
And we're below VWAP.
That's right. Good job. Tesla making higher highs over there, 2%. SPY again. Look at that 661.30 area, right? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles off 661.30. That was a major level from yesterday, if I remember. That's why I left it on that screen. Here we go. Starting to get a little bit of a pop. That's nice. Stay up there. You guys see how I try to protect that trade? Sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't, right? Sometimes it just kind of breaks even, but
IWM, we have a break and hold below the pre-market low.
thank you. We got a nice setup over here off the one I'm in, but
They did bounce.
yeah, huge bounce, right?
Yeah.
Big bounce.
BREA from yesterday just halted up.
Oh, good call. Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, this is nice. Take it. Another 250 bucks. Tesla continuing to climb. Let's see. Boy, Apple's doing the VWAP shuffle. Oh, it looks like it's heavy here now. We'll see on SPY, but
Yeah, it seemed more like an exit rally than it did a reversal.
yeah, it's in a dangerous spot. I mean, I'd like to see it go long here. Yep, there we go. Starting to get that bounce. Just for the simple fact that it did finally get above VWAP.
Yep.
I don't have a lot of room on my trade left, but I will attempt this spot. I'll keep this tighter because it's either going to run off of my... There we go. There we go. Get up there. Push. Push. Go. Big volume. Big volume. Whammy. I'll take it for another 200. Come on, baby. Get up there. Yeah, I would love to see SPY rip make new high over here just to get the hell out of that choppy chop. Because in the pre-market below that 660.30 is just, it's just garbage. Just going to attempt it again. Try it one more time. Tighter stop. See if it can push. Nope. Lost $70. SPY coming back down to that 200 again. Yep, heavy. Shorting it.
Yeah, it just kind of felt like a little bit of an exit rally.
Yep, I agree.
It wasn't coming up with any authority.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it should have popped up there, just kept ripping. Long as it stays below that 200 now, you're in a great spot for the downside. Everybody see it? There it goes. Yeah, make that candle low. Yep. Get that candle below that previous candle and stay down there, right? And then she'll be setting up pretty. There it goes. That's nice. Nice bleeder. I got stopped out. Lost 300 on that trade. These NQs are just so ridiculous. I like SPY below that area. See if it can stay down there. All right, well, just have to be a little more patient now. I like it below the 200 for the downside. Has to get below that 661.50 area now, though. And then we're going to run into support at 30. $180. If you guys see what I'm doing up here, I'm actually trading these candles. So you saw I went long right here for the pop, following it up, because you can see it keeps stopping right here. See it?
Yeah.
That was literally just a single candle trade I was doing off that.
Nice.
SPY.
That's like a little one candle channel right there.
It was, yep. This time it broke because the candle went lower, but yeah, absolutely. That's all I
Yep.
was doing is off that one candle because it kept doing it.
Mm-hmm.
See, it's starting it again. I'm a little late to it. I'll see if I can get a little bit. There it goes. It's funny because that's about $200 every time I click that button. It adds up, right? 5 of those is $1,000.
That's crazy.
Mm-hmm. Same thing, right? Right up to this candle. And then here comes the pullback. Now the beauty is I'm also using stops on this, right? And then I'm having a huge stop at the time of entry, and then I'm pulling it in really tight only because of the way that I'm trading this. Now notice this candle is higher than the one previous. So this is a pattern change. So I'm longing this. Get up there. There it is. That's another $100. Notice that changed because before it was hitting the top of this candle right here. This time we had a candle new high. That's why I went long right here. Took it all the way up to where this is. So now I'm on this channel to this channel. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, great. That's nice. SPY broke above VWAP, the 200, the 9, the 21. Can it hold above the 55? Got a candle right there, a new shoulder high. That's a high. Should be a long. That's a long candle. I'd run that long, not financial tax or investment advice with my stop down below that 661.70. Just give it a little bit of working room, right? Because that's where it's been channeling around. Okay, great. This one up here, I'm waiting for it to break this range. I'm actually going to mark this.
Coach,
Tell
when you
me.
get a chance, do you mind looking at Tesla to see if it's if you think it's channeling like I think it's channeling for a little bit?
It is. You want it to stay above 424.50.
Yep, that's what I have marked. Thanks,
There you
Coach.
go. Good job. And this is now broke beyond what I. All right. Who longed SPY right there?
Me.
Good job.
This guy.
Nice job.
Made some money.
Good job.
I did, Coach.
Thank you. I got resistance right here, this 43 to 62. Let's see if it can break through. And I missed my shot over here. This was a beautiful pop. So now I've got my next setup right here. Yep, this is a high traffic area up to here. Good job. Thank you, everybody, for tuning in. I appreciate you. Just another glorious day. Go ahead.
OKLO is a ripper.
OKLO. Oh, you know what? I saw somebody, yeah, also over on TikTok mention that. Sorry, I missed that, TikTok. Good call on that, Palm. Yeah, OKLO. Ripping. It's a little bit pricier, but looking real nice. SPY looking beautiful there. Who's still in that?
This
Me,
guy.
Coach. Had 4 contracts, been shedding as it's going up.
Nice job.
Shedding another here at the double top.
Ah, dang it. I tried to move that. It was too tight. I would have made
One
another
left.
200. Nice job.
Protected here. Double
Hold it to the
toppy.
moon, huh, Coach?
Yes, sir.
No.
Yeah, all the way to
Protected.
this
It's
double
getting
top.
double toppy.
Yep.
I just got one left.
Yeah, we're real close to this double top.
Come on, baby, break.
Like, we're talking within 30 cents, so be careful.
Yeah, it could pop through. Just keep your stop up there. That's all.
Yep, exactly. You know, when it does that, right, you got a couple things you can do. You can either take the weight off, right, big. So if you had 10, take 8, right? Or move really to a tighter stop, right? That's kind of how you can control it. Or do a combination of both. Take off most, move your stop up. That way, if it pulls, you've collected and you're covered, right? So a couple ways you can handle it.
Hey, Coach, that SOUN from a couple of weeks back, you had us watching as a runner.
Soundhound, yes, thank you.
Got a line at 662.65.
Yep, thank you. Yep, I had one at 62, partner. We're right there. We're right there together. Yep.
I also had one right there.
Yep.
Nice job.
Also,
Thank you.
Microsoft has been looking beautiful. It's new high day and it's the most beautiful chart this morning.
Thank you. Here it looks like that double top. Be careful right here. See it?
That was
Yeah.
that was a strong
Yes,
support
sir.
yesterday, so it makes sense that it's a little bit of resistance today.
Mm-hmm.
Do we like how it's well above the 9, correct? We like that?
We don't like that it's a double top. So if that's what you're looking at for long, you're starting to get
Well, what
long
do you-
in the tooth.
No, I just got the one contract left that I'm holding,
Uh-huh.
and just referring to, I know it's the double top, and I know your rule on the double top, but
So you
also
already know what to do then.
yes, sir.
There it goes. Boom, paid. $100. Taylor, are you in the room? Okay.
Haji?
There's your double top, everybody who's making money off that.
This guy,
Me.
Nice job. I made some too, just a quick buck.
yep,
Good job.
flipped it and dipped it and went right back into it.
Yep.
If there was only one place.
I know, right? Isn't it crazy how these little moves we can make so much money just off of ding, 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 right?
It's like we knew they were coming.
That's right.
Hey, Coach, earlier when you was talking about it was 200 per click, that was your fees to get in?
No, that's how much profit I was making every time I click buy.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay.
Yeah, every time I was clicking buy off those candles, I would make between 150 and 200 bucks on the move because I'd get in, protect the trade. As soon as it moved, bang, I'm in it.
Beautiful.
There's your SPY pullback, though, double top. You know that's my favorite trade in the biz. OKLO continuing to climb over there, Palm. 14%, partner.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Yeah, it's been in the Zoom chat all morning for the
Yes.
subscribers.
Nice job. Is this gold? No, I'm trading NQ, the NASDAQ on futures, but I'm talking about SPY at the same time. So everybody have your stops in place.
Coach Spy's forming kind of a cup and handle here. If we could bounce off that 9
Yeah.
on the 2 minute.
Yep. No. Yep. Absolutely. If it doesn't bounce, though, it's just a double top pullback, right, partner? It's still on the double
You are
top
right.
pullback. Yep.
Yep. Needs to really hold that
Yep.
662.60 level.
Yeah. It's if it doesn't hold this 9 right here, this 662.20 ish, it's going to be lights out.
AGMH is finding some life after a pullback.
All right. Thank you.
About 230% this morning.
Wow. Yeah, looking for a pop right here, right? If it's going to do it on SPY, this is it. If not, it's going to be a bleeder. And I'm
SPY's
gonna...
right at green to red.
What's that?
SPY's right at green to red too.
No, it's not, partner. On mine, I'm showing it's 0.28% up. You might be looking at something else. All right.
2 minutes to shift change
Thank you. Good call.
in 12 seconds.
Thank you. SPY can't hold this level. I'd be looking at shorting it, not financial tax or investment advice. Do not get fooled into that short right there. Do you hear the sound of my voice right now on SPY? You need to wait.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you need to wait.
Yes, sir.
Wait for that to break that 21 before you attempt that, because what'll happen is this thing will look like it's going to come down. Everybody's going to try to get into those shorts, and then it's going to spike up. So be careful. Watch the 21. This is what I'm waiting for. I want to see him break and hold on this 21, and then I'm going to go downside to VWAP. In it, but I'm going to have a tight stop. Hopefully my candles will, hopefully I got enough room for this to breathe. I'll put this just above this one. It's for all the marbles where it's sitting. Come on, maybe get down there. Drop. You notice how VWAP's starting to come up to it? Do you see that, how it's working a little bit right there? You just see a little more. I'm just going to protect this one. Come on, a little more. At least protect the trade. Get in there a little more. Man, the way this thing blinks. You guys see my chart? It blinks so crazy, right? Look at it.
Yeah, SPY's doing the same thing though.
Yep, bouncing off of VWAP here. Wow.
Chief change.
Oh, yep, volume coming in. That one could not hold at all. Yeah, volume's nutto now. OKLO, new high a day over there, Palm.
Yeah, I'm riding it with shares up, so I don't have, so I can do other things.
Yeah, beautiful. It's at 15% now.
Thanks. I just want to stop up a little bit.
Yep, 1520. Moving up nicely. 120.90 now on those. Taylor, are you not in here with me? Taylor, Derek. Derek, are you in here with me? Why am I saying Taylor? That was my previous. Derek, are you with me? My mentoree, where are you? Come on, man. Where are you at?
Still digesting all the knowledge.
Yeah, it really is. Well, the setup that I trained him on happened, and he would have made probably all the money that he spent for the year one-on-one with me.
NVIDIA new high.
Thank you. OKLO is now up almost 16%. It's at 121.30, Palm. Pulling back to 121. So 121 right now is where it's kind of hovering around. See if it can do anything else over there for now. Just keeping you in the loop because I know you're in other trades.
Yeah, I'm also in SPY and AGMH at all at the same time.
I
A
got
little
you.
spread around.
I got you.
Thanks for telling me though. I just let my stop up.
Yeah. That's what's nice about shares, right?
Yep.
Now, same thing with that, Palm. You know, you can convert that to a trailing stop, right? use the average true
Yeah.
range on it, and then you just let it move, you know. All right, let's see. SPY still sitting down here now on VWAP. See how it's kind of trending down with that 9? And it's just the 9 and VWAP squeezed together right here.
I see it, boss.
Spies needs to make a decision right now.
Yep.
NVIDIA on double top from yesterday's high.
Thank you. I'm looking for the squeeze right there. Come on, baby, go. Like to see a squeeze right here. Come on. That was a good candle for me right there. Go. It's got to get up above all this garbage for me on my chart. Get up there. There it goes. Protect my trade. There's the squeeze. That's it. Come on. Keep going.
It stopped out on Enclaw. Look for a pullback.
Nice. Yeah, that 121, right?
Yeah.
I'll take it another 130 off this trade. Should have held this one a little longer, I think, because it's got more room. SPY, there's that squeeze I was looking for to break to the upside. The 9 and VWAP was closing in together. Come on, get up there and push. Stop goofing around this spot, right?
Yes, sir. That's what I'm looking for.
Yep.
Get that ass up there.
Yeah, get on up. There it is. Come on, push. Let's go. Thank you again for joining us, everybody over there. Click all the buttons, do all the things. I appreciate those new follows. We're here every single day, 3 times a day. I'm here 9 to 11. Mark is here for futures from 2 to 4. And then Dawn in the aftermarket program, 4 o'clock. We're here 3 times a day live.
Aren't we stinky? Yes. We're here 3 times a day to help people out, make brand new millionaires all the time. What do you think of that? That's what we do.
Results not guaranteed in all the legal stuff. That was my dog saying that, the legal part. Okay, great.
Pumpkin's like, what are you doing?
I know
We
it.
want to see pumpkin trade. We want to see pumpkin trade.
They want to see you trade.
She probably gave him that look like, why are you talking stock to me?
Yeah, you're so good. You're so good. You're so good. Yes. All right.
I told Jen, you've heard of Tidy Cat, right?
Yes.
I'm taking one from Mark's book. I said he's now Trady Cat.
Oh, that's awesome.
My cat's in here with me.
I love that. I know my dog's always at my feet. No matter where I'm at, she's always at my feet. Aren't you?
My dogs try to be lap dogs, and they're all the smallest one is about 80-something pounds.
Oh my God.
Oh, that's awesome.
The biggest one, I think she's about 125 to 130.
Oh, wow.
Good God, David.
What kind of dog is that?
Palm, you got support at 192.62. Sorry, 119.62 on OKLO. Sorry, everybody. Go ahead.
Palomino.
Pounded the AGMH.
Big ones.
AGMH might be halting up now.
All right, thank you. What do I think of plug? Sorry, I just saw that. Let me look. Yeah, I mean, plug has to hold above this. What is this, 216? Let me mark it. As long as you can stay above 216, if you're looking to go into it long, you'll be okay above 216. Because it is starting to get volume. There goes SPY. Who had that SPY bounce off of VWAP?
You already know.
Yes. Good job.
Some guy I know taught me that.
Right? Isn't that nice? Some guy I know.
I love that guy, man. I love that guy.
NVIDIA breaking through the double top from yesterday.
Let me take a look. Thank you. Yep, let's see. Yesterday was 177.10. Nice. Video off to the races. I love it. That was that nice squeeze off of SPY, by the way. We saw the 9 and VWAP were starting to pinch down on each other right there. We had the double top pullback to VWAP, textbook, and then we got a bounce, right? Got resistance from previous at that 662.43.
IWM at a double bottom.
Thank you. There we go. There's a nice pull. Nice. There's 300. Keep going. Back all the way to VWAP. I'm going to move my, well, don't have to. Let's say I'm going to move my stop tighter. I'll take
I
that
took
for
my Aqua
300.
121. It's on the pullback now.
Yep. I just took 300 off that trade. All the way back to VWAP. Watch for the bounce. You've also got the 200 right under VWAP. So if you guys are going to trade that bounce off of VWAP, you already know to have your stop right down there, right around that 200, right? Because that will be the final support.
Oh, yeah.
So that's a good low risk, high reward setup. Right there, going long. Watching for the bounce. There it is. Keep going. Come on, baby. Big bounce. Let's go, big bounce.
Coach, on the 2 minute, it's forming its first EWO.
Thank you.
First spot.
I got stopped out right there. Too tight of a stop. Damn it. That was my fault. That was a perfect setup for a bounce. That was my fault. It's going to leave. The train's going to leave the station without me. Try it one more time. This is what I should have been in. Come on, go. There it goes. What did I tell you? Look at that. There's 300. Come on, baby, go. Come on, there's your bounce. Go, drive it. Get volume and go.
No, go.
Yep, go. Oh, I'll take it for 300. Oh, there it goes. Yes, nice. I just had
AGMH, not stock pick.
Thank you. I just had too tight of a stop on the first one, but I made up for it on the second one. I think I lost 70 on the first and made 300 on the second. So,
okay.
Fantastic, Coach.
Yep. Little dab will do you, right? Did anybody make any money off that little one? I know it wasn't a massive move, but did anybody make any money off that little thing, that little move?
I got picked up perfectly on that one.
Yep. So did I the second
Probably
time.
within
The
10
first
cents.
one I screwed up.
Oh. I was kind of counting on that little flush of VWAP that.
Yep.
And I got it. AGMH, Coach.
Oh, is it still cranking?
Yeah.
It's back wide. It was hot.
Picked it up at $6.25. It just bounced off the $10 mark.
Oh, nice. Oh, yeah, beautiful.
Played the bounce over VWAP, picked it back up at VWAP, and now it's at $11.
Launching. It's launching over there.
Yep, $11.
Woo!
L2's wide open.
I'm taking some off at 11.
Nice job. Beautiful trade. Nice work, Palm. So remember,
Line my
just
stop up at 1050 now.
yeah.
Got stopped.
See, just like that. Let me look at what it is. AGMH.
That was a monster.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Yeah, I picked it up on the pre-market support at 625. Took the pop over VWAP.
Yep.
Sold it. Caught it back at VWAP.
Oh,
and then took that
nice.
whole run.
Yes, that's beautiful. And those that are doing trailing stops on AGMH, right now it's showing 80 cents on the 1 minute. Yeah, same thing on the 2. So about 80-cent trailing stop on that. So just make sure if you guys are using a trailing stop, right, you have the right amount. Now, what I would recommend, remember on that, if you're going to look at doing an, I'm sorry, is that 8 cents or 80 cents?
I used a buck and still got tipped out at 1050.
Did you? Okay. So here's what I would recommend. If you guys are going to use a trailing stop, this is the way I like to do it. Let's say I bought it now here, right, at 1050. And let's say $1 just to make it easy, right? If I was going to look at doing $1 trailing stop. So what I'll do is I'll first set a stop, right? And we'll just say, here's my $1. So this is my hard stop. Then what I do is once it moves up $1, okay, so if I bought it at 1050, I wait till it hits 1150. Once it's got to that point, now I convert this. I kill the stop. I put in the trailing stop for $1, okay? Because guess what? Now, no matter what, from this point, that $1 is right where I paid for it. Does that make sense? And now as it's moving and doing its thing, that is going to be free for me forever and allow it to work. So a hard stop first. Once I've gone beyond the point where I'm going to want my trailing stop, then I convert it from a hard stop to a trailing stop. That's how I handle that. Okay.
Hey, Coach, can you put a trailing stop on a contract?
I don't know. Does Weeble allow that yet? I haven't. You know what's funny?
No.
No. Okay.
Thank you.
Yep. You can with TD. So if you're trading
And
TD,
E-Trade.
Yep. Palm, you're using. I think you were using TD. I don't know.
I use like 4 different platforms. Depends on what account I'm in for the day.
I got you. Oh, did you ever get a chance to check out that Lightspeed, by the way?
Yeah, I didn't look too far into it because I didn't get it done, but I probably need to do that.
Yeah, no worries. It looks pretty old and antiquated, so when you look at it, don't be like, "What is he telling me to look at this for?" But it's like now. Orders are now.
Yeah, I probably have to work. I probably need to set up a paper account, work on my mechanics on it.
Yeah, for sure. But the cool thing with that one is, buddy, I'm telling you, it's like micro milliseconds. Like you click the order, 60,000 orders gone, 100,000 shares gone. You know what I mean? It's not like, oh, I'm trying to find an order to somebody. It's like, pew, 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 pew. But it's also like $1,000, $1,000. You know, the fees are like ding, 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 ding. But the difference of the time that you save versus the fees is so over covers all the fees.
Okay.
Especially when you're trading big money. It's, oh my gosh, it's a lifesaver.
Hey, Coach, on those trailing stops, do you watch the upside after you put those in, or do you just let them run?
I let them run, right? That's kind of the idea is I want them to work. You know, if you remember, if you're using a trailing stop strategy, that is the strategy. I'm not pulling back and taking money off the top of things. Now, of course, you're going to want to watch like double tops because most likely they're going to do those. But even that, so if you're coming up on a double top, if you're quick and you know what you're doing, you could like do it way before you get there. If you're like, okay, I'm anticipating the double top. So if you had $1 stop, you could change it to 50 cents, right? Just make sure when you're doing that, you better have your mechanics because I want you to think about this. If I cancel, just like when you originally set your hard stop, you have to cancel the hard stop, put in the trailing stop. Well, guess what? There's lag time between you canceling one to create the other. And a lot of bad things can happen in under a second, right? So you better be quick, ready, and understand that if you're not good enough, you just jacked yourself, right? You got to kill one and add the other. So you better be good. All right, here
Thank
we
you,
go.
Coach.
Yep. All right, let me see. Wow, this was in a nice, beautiful channel below this. Not 9. Still got some meat on the bones, but it's by trying to bounce off that 9, but so again, the 9, the 21, oh, that's the 2, and the 200 are all sitting right there together. Everybody see it? There it goes. Take 150 off the trade. Nice job. 1019 station identification real quick. And while I'm doing that, everybody's going to be watching for that to break below the 200. I've got another support level sitting at 661.70. A lot of chop in there. If that breaks that 200 because you are below VWAP, then and only then could you look at shorting it. If you're not in a trade at all with SPY right now, I would not recommend it. Remember, this is all for paper trading, simulating. Do not mirror or mimic. This is not financial tax or investment advice. They're the things that you guys can do are on your own, legal and all this stuff. Okay, great. If you guys want to join us, go to americandreamtrading.com. Oh, nice. Come on, baby. Pull. americandreamtrading.com. You can join the community for absolutely free. Make sure you verify your account when you get over. Otherwise, the system will kick you off. You will get an email from us showing you how to verify your account. Let me make some quick money. Hold on. There it goes. There it is. Let me make another $100. And that stop did not work in time. It was too close, broke even. Do you guys see where SPY just pulled down to 661.70 and bounced?
I see it, boss.
Didn't I just say that a minute and a half ago?
You did.
That's nice. But anyways, americandreamtrading.com, you guys can sign up for one of our free memberships. Crypto, stocks and options, which is premium, or futures, all free for 1 week. After the week, they will renew at their regular rate. We have never offered this before. Do it now. Speaking of that, Bruno, I need to see a list if you have time today or Monday. Conversion of everybody that is free to actual paid memberships to see if it's actually making any sense. Thank you.
Got it.
Appreciate you. Nice bounce off that 200 now. Let's see what's going to do here. 661.70. It hit 661.67 and bounced. I was off by 3 cents that time.
I got that one. Got that one tight too.
Yep. I want my money
Coach,
back.
you saw that line because of the bodies before that, right? Around the opening bell?
Yeah.
Above the bodies?
And I had it, I think I had it previous day too. Let me look. I can't remember if I did this. Let me look. I can't remember if I did this off of pre-market. It looks like it was right in here. Yep.
Yep, thank you. Mine was at 85 cents. So just want to see where you were.
Yeah. Now remember, you'd still be really close, right? So that's not bad. 20 to 40 cents is kind of the variance. You know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good job.
I picked Oklo at 118.50. It's at 122.5. AGMH, I went in at 10.50 a couple times for scalps to the upside, and I'm scalping SPY at the same time.
Oh my gosh, great job. Now
Talk
he's
about
just
multitasking.
now he's just showing off over there, ladies and gentlemen. Now he's doing all the things. Yeah, remember I said it looked
Yeah,
like
for
it was.
sure.
Remember I said on that OKLO, I said it looked like support at 119.65. Remember? I marked it
Yep.
on my screen.
I caught the little
You're a
dot.
beast. You're a beast, man.
All right.
He said, "All right."
And I'm over here.
Whatever
just
you
looking
say.
at-
Okay, I'll be that.
All right then. Oh, that was great. All right.
Tesla's getting heavy on the vine.
Is it? Okay, thank you. Good call on that.
Sold into the push up to 112.90. Most of it executed above, 12.50. Looking for a pullback on AGMH, but I gotta be careful now because the big guys might be looking to exit into some of this upside.
Right.
Aklo, 124.
Yeah, that's
Whee!
nice. Whee! I'm looking to see if SPY's going to push here off this level. Now, if you guys look at this, it's trending lows, right? Let me show you. Right? Here to here. Can you guys see that?
Yes, coach.
So I want to see if it can break out of that area. I'm going to move this stop a little tighter.
If you look at SPY, look like a pennant right now.
Yep. Does everybody see this? This is what we're looking for it to break, is this pattern, right?
Yeah.
If we can get a break of that pattern, you'll see new high. Oh, not new high. 662.43, which is what we had before. That's what I'm looking for, right? Otherwise, this is just continuing to go lower and lower and lower. See it? Let me put that on the big screen so you guys can really get a good look. Looks like this, those of you that are watching for free. See it right here? Right there.
Yep.
So
Declining
just,
channel. I get the same thing.
yep, it's just low.
I do the parallel and pull it down, and you got a nice channel.
Yep, and if you guys look at this, like Nana was just talking about, right here, see this?
And
Yep.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
So
you have a pennant.
Starting to get into that squeeze zone we talk about, right? Where the old Jimmy's vortex, where it's starting to, right, shrink in here. We don't have much room left. So you're going to get a big pop or drop soon.
It's one or the other.
Yep.
And coach, on your top descending channel, you could even bring that all the way back to the pre-market high. And
Yep.
you'll see it connects all the way back there too.
Yep, I see it. Yeah, and you can see it right here to the right around the
Yep.
open. Yep.
Yeah.
My stop is now at 124 in Aklo.
Oh wow, nice.
From 118.50 to 124 and change.
Oh my gosh. That's going to look really nice with your 50 shares.
Yes.
Yes, that's it. Oh, here we go. Come on, baby. Get this pop and go. Come on.
125. I'm sliding my stop.
Nice job.
Yeah, all the nuke stocks are exploding. You got NNE, SMR, OKLO, LEU, and STAI all in double-digit growth.
Nice.
Oh man.
So there's a lot of money flowing in to nuclear.
It's blowing up.
And quantum.
Just got stopped. 125. I'll take it.
Nice job.
The world is going back to that type of energy anyway because they're realizing it's
clean.
Yeah.
Necessary. If you think about robots and
for
the
sure.
server infrastructure,
Exactly. Yes, I agree.
we need to get nuclear. We need to get it soon.
Yep. We need to completely fill all of Ohio. More nuclear
With
facilities.
radiation.
One great big nuclear power plant.
Yeah.
You know, I was telling my son since he's email for nuclear, in the Navy. I said, when you're gonna get in civil world, if everything go to plan, You're gonna have job left and right to peek out and make a ton of money.
Mark likes it when they move all those nuclear facilities right over by his Steerlink property.
The goal is to make them smaller, in fact. I mean, look at the
Ohio
size of
was
the
a
nuclear on the reactor on the submarine and how much power that thing make.
Mm-hmm.
Think about it.
Yeah, they're making them, and it's funny. I think I heard that Elon Musk shipped one in from China because he couldn't wait for the U.S.
Oh, for God's sake.
Just remember, Oklo actually doesn't do anything yet, right? So
Right,
it's a
exactly.
great run, but
yeah,
great
It's
to trade.
totally pre-revenue. You're
yeah,
absolutely right.
exactly.
I always thought Ohio was a red state. Apparently, it glows green.
It does.
And that's what the Secretary of Energy was saying, is that for the next couple of years, we need to lean in on some of the traditional stuff.
Yeah, I agree. All right.
So like natural gas will be a big part of it.
Yeah, natural gas is always a major player. Always.
I mean, that's why I go to Taco Bell. Hello.
Oh no. Where's my soundboard? Where wah 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 wah. There you go. Oh, there it is. It's breaking.
AGMH $10.21.
Oh, nice job.
Quick scalp, scalp.
Look at SPY, Palm. If it breaks that 200, you're going to get a nice bleed here.
I know I wanted to do something.
Oh, I hope I didn't catch the tail of that. Yeah, I did.
Need a little bit bigger pullback on Oklo before I can go back into that.
Yeah, Oklo, I'd like to see it hit this 122 area again. There goes SPY. Damn it. I missed it off that last one, and I knew it. Come on, baby. Break through that and rip. I want to see SPY rip through that and hit that 660, 170. It is just teetering here. See it?
Yep.
But it's in that really crazy popper drop area. There's not much runway left.
Oh, basically, it's just been working within that control candle.
It has. And I'm shorting it just because of the simple fact it's been low, 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 low with a wider stop. So
it's also
NVIDIA.
getting close to a double bottom.
yeah,
NVIDIA trying to break mini double top.
it's got a little bit here, but this is look at it squeeze, all right? It's just look how small. This is it. This next candle or two, that's going to be it for this spot. Everybody see it? Don't you pop on me. Oh, I better move this stop a little bit tighter then. Not too tight. Yep, see it? Now it's tried to break out of this a couple times doing the exact same thing and then it collapses, but we'll see. Like I said, the next candle or two, this will be it for this whole long scenario. Stop me out. It's breaking through the upside. The level, this candle will be everything. This candle can stay above. It stopped me out, pulled all the way back. You sucker.
Yeah, coach. It looks like it still has 10 minutes in this little triangle channel here. Just
that's that piece of crap. You little beep 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 beep. New high a day, OKLO, Palm.
Apple looks like it's trying to break over VWAP if it could hold.
All right, thank you.
Did all right on that. I got stopped out at 125, so I was up in that range before. I was looking for a bigger pullback though.
Nice, nice. Right here, 662.16. You can see it's hit it a bunch of times on these candles up here. Everybody see that? That's your resistance right now. Pops that area, I'll go long with a stop just below it.
There goes Apple camera.
Yep, Apple's trying to go high now. Right here, 662.17. If this can pop up here, I'll long it. While we're waiting for this to make a move, anybody get the new iPhone? Is anybody getting a new iPhone watch? Anything today? Anybody else?
My wife's getting one.
Your wife's getting one? Nice. And someone else said you are?
I am, Coach.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yep. Wife is getting the phone. I'm getting the AirPods.
Oh, nice. Oh, the AirPods are going to be so good.
I asked about trading in my iPhone 7. They said that it's not worth anything anymore.
Is that really what you're using?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah, they don't even do upgrades for it anymore.
Oh, for crying out loud. Get rid of that piece of crap. You're done.
Thought you might say that.
Oh my gosh.
It still works though.
No. No. You're killing me.
You might have bought Jimmy's old laptop.
I know, right? You got Jimmy's old 13-inch Toshiba satellite from 1992 still?
Nice.
No.
Holmes trying to be Warren Buffett with his BlackBerry.
Exactly.
NVIDIA broke out of the channel.
Palm's going old school. He's got like the old detective notepad in his pocket. Pen and paper.
He's got my mentality. Don't fix it if it ain't broke.
Mm-hmm.
That's how I do my charting.
Nice.
All right, another buck a share off AGMH.
Nice job.
Da, da, da. Come on, Spy, do something. I keep taking these candle scalps, but
yep,
nothing terribly exciting today.
I want to see it break that 662.17 upside or get below the 200 to the downside.
Agreed.
Yeah, I got stopped out. That's like the third one in a row, just kind of doing nothing.
Just a reminder, today at 12, because of triple witching, please do not be still in options after that.
Yeah,
We have
same day
mass closing
expiration.
after that.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
It's putting me to sleep right here on that micro channel.
Yes. Apple 2-minute EWO to the upside, sixth, I believe. Yep, 6 candle upside, 2 minutes. Indicators, I should say. Good job. Did anybody scoop up the Diamond Lifetime membership that you cannot get anymore? If not, you're a fool and check yourself into some sort of a sane asylum. Go ahead, do it now. Because you crazy. Crazy not to get it. That's a crazy sale. Crazy. 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 Everybody better do it. Better get over there. I'm going to go buy 2 myself.
You're going to do
buy one and give it to me?
with Tesla?
What's that? Tesla what?
Didn't Elon buy his own shares in Tesla?
He did.
Do a little.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yep.
Yep. I'm gonna buy like 50
Buy
diamond
yourself a couple
memberships.
diamonds, sir.
That's,
Yeah.
that's right. I'm gonna buy myself $1 billion worth of my own diamond memberships and get one-on-ones with
right.
myself. I don't think we didn't. I don't think we sold one. That's weird. That's really weird. Oh, there it goes. Dang it. I'm over here staring off into outer space. It's below the 200. Stay down there. Nice. Go, 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 go. Derek, are you in here yet? Derek Z, where you at? My mentoree, where are you? Derek Z.
I'm here.
You are? Do you see what we were talking about in our one-on-one yesterday?
No, I'm all tied up in these covered calls right now. I wasn't looking.
Oh, I got you. Okay. You would have been the richest you've ever been in your life. No worries.
There's always tomorrow.
I want you to look at SPY right now and go into our training session and look at exactly what you and I talked about. Let me know when you see it.
Face God the judge. And he's going to list everything you did wrong in your life.
That is nice. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that below that 200. Look at that. How's that looking for everybody in the room?
That worked.
Yep, that's nice. I got SPY down to
Here it comes. Here it comes.
Yep,
Tell people, here it comes.
661.30.
Here it comes. Yeah. And then couldn't have served that up any easier.
Yep.
Teeing up a watermelon for your people.
Yes, it's glorious, right, partner?
Yep.
Boom, I'll take it.
Yes, coach.
350.
Just had to be patient for that play, you know.
Yep, just had to wait for that break of that 200 we were talking about, right? It's glorious. Derek.
Yeah,
do
it just hit the 2 minute on the 200 on the 2
Derek, do you
coach.
see the trade we were talking about?
Sir, that would have worked perfectly.
Right? Look at where it's at now.
That's on the 200 on the 2 minute.
Yep, it's beautiful. Coming up to double bottom now. You see it, Derek?
Community of you also, coach.
Good job. Sorry, I'm trying to make sure he's 100% laser focused with me. Spending a year with him, so he will be my success story. He's living and breathing with me, basically. I got a room for him here now. Your double bottom bounce. It's got a little bit more. It can hit down to the 660. So 661.30. And remember, it could be 20 to 40 cents outside of that. But typically, they'll bounce before it gets there. So we'll see. We will see. Look at Apple, 2-minute EWO, still rocking and rolling. Who's in that?
I am, Coach.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Good
Every
job.
trading it, Coach.
Good job.
About 17% on a couple of them. I still got 10 runners.
Nice, nice. How much have you locked in so far today, David?
I'm human, so I took another trade and I took a loss on my second trade. So I went down, and so now I think I'm back to about the same, almost 5,000 ish.
Nice job. Who'd like to make 5,000 in the last hour and 13 minutes?
Me, Coach.
Thank you.
Wait, David's human? This is news to me.
Getting it
He's actually an
done.
ADT bot with an AI voice.
He really is, yeah. So we can sell courses.
I thought I saw his left eye twitch every now and then.
Good job, Bob. Can I have room right here? Oh, and I did not. Still got a little bit more room, but not much on the floor on SPY. It's at 661.40. Bounced at 32 last time. Does everybody love how SPY likes to act like a clock? New high, new low, new high, new low, right? Double top, double bottom, double top, double bottom, right?
It's awesome.
It's just wild once you understand that concept. It's a clock.
Woo.
Yep. This is the
Little
double
added love
bottom.
there.
Yep, this is the double bottom here. It's got a hold right here. I'm gonna long it. There it goes. Come on. Bigger move. Come on. Get up there and stay up there. It's about 90 cents away from previous day close. Wow. Is it going to try to get previous day close? Because that would be the only level of support left.
There's a gap down to 660.70.
Is there? Okay. Yep. I've got one to 661. So good call.
Yeah, you got minor interference at 61, but such stronger supports. Oh man, it's reaching.
Yep. I just got stopped out. Yep. It's
Me
breaking.
too.
Yep. It's breaking that.
I took a little L.
Yep. Me too. It's always worth it though. The very low risk of a massive reward. I'll take it every single time. Nice job. Polito, 4.2% on total account for the day. Just posted in the trading lounge. Nice job. Epic Mike, Apple Call. This time I did 3 contracts. Nice job. $826 today. Cash account. Nice job. Good job.
GMH double top, taking it all right there.
Mm-hmm.
Just like you said, boss, it's all about scaling.
Yes, absolutely. Was that
And
you?
consistency. Yeah.
Yeah, good job. That's a good feeling, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Oh man, Palm, what's this thing doing? It broke the double bottom, and it's going to go for a previous day open here. Wow. Derek, where are you at?
I'm here. I didn't get into that.
Nope, no worries. Did you see what I'm talking about though?
Yeah.
Look at the double top, partner, was up here at 662.70. Look at where it's at.
Right. Would have been low maintenance too.
Yep. Nothing at all, right? Nothing but a chicken wing on a string. Apple still climbing.
But it's climbing like an old man on the
Yeah, it
on the
really
stairs.
is. It really is. It's climbing like my back felt after I was trying to put this desk together. And 2 days later, I'm still climbing like this. Old and busted.
Sounds like you were describing me.
Feeling it. Still feeling it today. I'm like, oh my gosh. Speaking of that, I should stand for a bit. Hold on a minute. Let's see if I can. Oh, is this going to bounce off this spot? 661. Worth a shot. I'll open the stop way up. Anyways, let's see if I can not blow up my entire system. Here we go. Going to stand mode. Ready?
Raise the desk, coach.
Here we go. Here we go. Let's see if we can not bust the system. Rise. Thank you. Come on, camera. There it goes. Look at that, huh? Look at that. And we got a nice bounce off 661. Nice. Keep it at break even. Nice. I got my mat in here. Hi. Hi. It's okay. I'm just going to put this mat right here. I'm going to put this mat right here, stinky doos. Yes. Right here. Bam. Look at that. Huh? We have raised desk.
For a minute there, I thought you were in control of the market, coach. You stood up and SPY climbed.
Rise from your grave.
You used to be a hell raiser, now you're a desk raiser.
That's right. That's right. That's right. You see that? The desk got up. Not sponsored by Cialis. The microphone is also working now. Not sponsored by. Thank you. Come on, baby.
You're
a
a
Pfizer desk.
Yeah, right.
You're a desk raiser. Day trader.
Yes. I like
Money maker, don't you
it.
get
Mess
away
around
from
with me.
Yeah.
Nice.
Got them all day.
That's right. Apple still climbing. Hold on, I got to move this laptop just a bit. Hopefully, cameras stay with me. Okay, we're good. Apple coming into a double top. Closer you get to 240, 270, so about 240, 250-ish. Apple, I've got that one typically around 12 to 20 cents, so we're right about double top now. Right here. Yeah, it's funny. I've got the sit-stand desk upstairs too, but the problem is one monitor is mounted on the wall that's going over the other monitor, so I can't raise anything without swinging the whole giant 49-inch monitor out of the way, so I just never did. There's the double bottom bounce. Oh. Wow.
That was nice.
Yeah, that is right there. Oh, glory days.
Man, I was just hoping for a pop into the 9. That thing hammered.
Yeah, Derek, where are you at? He's like, stop calling my name. Derek.
Thank you so much, coach. That was a great pop.
Nice job. Derek, you see that beautiful bounce, that big double bottom bounce, 661. I had that 661 level, right?
That's the best double bottomy bounce ever.
Yeah, that
Yes,
was
sir.
just, and oh man, with options too, the gamma. Woo!
I never
would-
asked you before, Coach, but I'm sorry. Should I post my trade when it's a really good one like that and show people that it can be done?
We know it can be done, JP, because we do it every freaking day.
I know, but some of these people don't realize the percentages that I make, even though it's a small trade.
Oh, you can put it in there. Just do it once. Just put it in the trader's lounge, just one chart or something.
Okay, I'll just put in what I got in and got
Okay,
out.
nice job. We just don't want to overload the system. That's all. Wait, you can't hear the Zoom today? Is that real? Or can anybody on TikTok hear our Zoom?
No, TikTok cannot hear the Zoom, and your Zoom video quality is pretty bad.
Now that the show is over, nobody on TikTok could hear my Zoom all day. Okay. And the show is over.
Sorry, I thought you knew.
Yay! Everybody in the room, you need to let me know when that doesn't happen, right? That'd be great.
Coach, I don't know if it'll affect the market, but it looks like the government gets to stay at work till November 20th at least now.
Okay, thank you.
AGMHOMG.
ADT is the place to be.
MOMG ADT.
Apple, holy crap.
Is UP. It's up.
Paul, what was that ticker?
AGMH. About to pull back to the 21. It just broke $15.
Yeah, the one he's been calling all day.
And pretty much been calling out all the entries.
Yep. Nice job. Good job.
It's only to point to you, Coach. My entire account went up 23% again.
Oh my gosh. Nice job. Good job. Oh, I bet you
Please, people, please listen to Coach and Palm in the conversations. They're so powerful.
Oh, I bet you this is why right here. TikTok, let me know if you guys are able to hear the Zoom now. Everybody in Zoom want to say good morning?
Good morning.
Morning.
Thank you.
Morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
It doesn't feel
Good
like
listening
morning.
I know.
Good morning.
Can you guys over on TikTok hear Zoom now? Let me know.
Yes.
You can?
I'm
Okay,
here.
perfect. Perfect. I'll remember that. So every time I'm switching to my headset, I have to remember in the TikTok studio, I also have to change it to headset, which makes absolutely no sense because the sound is actually still going through my soundboard, which should have been picking it all up. But okay. Whatever. Thank you and sorry about that. Hey, you know what that means, Palm? They've been missing all your amazing call outs too, is they should be over here and not on the free side. You guys can come over to our servers at americandreamtrading.com. You can also sign up for our stocks and options, which is called premium, or the crypto, or the futures, and get a free week. Why are you still watching over there when you should be in here? We still have close to 300 people inside of the Zoom that you can be talking with, trading with, training with every single day right now. Why are you still watching on the garbage?
They're taking table scraps. They got to come in here and figure out how this is done.
It's just crazy. It's literally crazy.
They're getting that little toothpick of chicken at Sam's Club. We give you the whole damn bag.
Right? It's like going in, you're getting the free bread, and then you got to leave. You don't even get the entree.
Yeah.
Come on, man. The hell's going on? And it's free. I can't make it any cheaper than free, right? I can't make any cheaper than free.
It's like you're dreaming of
free.
It's like you're dreaming of gorgonzola cheese when it's clearly brie time, BB.
Brie time. Clearly, he said
Something about
clearly
Mary.
brie time.
That's right.
Coach, they're snacking on one rib.
One rib.
One.
Why would you not go and sign up for the free membership and actually learn how it's done?
It's crazy. It's ludicrous at this point. I cannot even give away money at all, right? I cannot give away training and education, results not guaranteed. That could turn into, right, a complete life change, a complete 360. And all you need to do is click 2 buttons, AmericanDreamTrading.com, enter the other, which would be join the free community. Done. What are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you there? I don't understand. I don't get it. Come on.
You
What are
would
you
be
waiting for?
amazed, Coach, how many people sabotage themselves.
Yeah, I know it. And trust me, I would not be amazed. I've been doing this every single day for 3 years, and I'm still yelling from the rooftops, right? Hey, we made hundreds of millions of dollars as reported by our members. Hey, we've retired over 250 people. Hey, we've made 15 new millionaires, right? We're doing a new millionaire just about every other month. Hey, one of our members has just turned $700 into $10 million in the last 10 months. Hey, it's like, well, you know what? I think what I'll do is, hey, did you see that? We got a TikToker over there, right? They're doing trend lines, which is just swing trading. You got, 50-50 shot over there. You got the other one just stares off into outer space the whole time, the whole live, just staring like this.
Yep.
I'm like, what do you guys want? Now, I know I'm not, cute and, all the things, but we make money in this room. Results not guaranteed. Stock market trading is hard. They say statistically 90% of all traders will lose their money because, you know what I'm saying, man? And
So
you know this,
if there's any,
man.
if there's any haters or doubters, you can come in real time, see what the entries are, see the amount of contracts, the amount of shares.
That's right.
As they're being bought on support,
That's
as they're
right.
being sold on resistance, vice versa.
Yep.
And do the math for yourself.
Exactly.
I mean, we're literally like calling this stuff out, doing it in real time, and then after the live, we teach you how to do it, like all afternoon, and you can ask questions, and you can literally see it being done. So, yeah, holy crap! If you can get in for a couple weeks and see that for literally for free,
Exactly.
free.
Yeah, for
free.
free. That, and we're literally the only, let me repeat this for those that are new here. We are the only stock market training education company on planet Earth where you can actually have a microphone and ask in real time, not just chatty chat, not your keyboard where you hope somebody might answer you, right? Like you watching over on free, you hope I see it, right? We're the only ones. You can open a microphone. There's 300 people at any moment, anything, all day. VIP and gold, 12 hours a day. Premium, you get it from 8:45 to 4 o'clock all day. Even when I'm gone, you can ask questions all day. You don't get that anywhere else. What are you guys doing? What are we waiting for? Why is there still over 110 people over there staring at us on TikTok, right? And 50 people probably over on YouTube. What are you guys doing? Why are you there? Leave that spot, AmericanDreamTrading.com. Horse.
You're 100%
water.
correct, Coach. This is the only place.
It is.
ADT for
It
win.
is. Listen, if you guys have been to any of the other communities, you know exactly what I'm talking about. I'm talking about any of them, any of my competitors, any of them. I know all of them or most of them. You don't get this anywhere on earth. You don't understand what you have. I'm telling you, go around, go check them out. Go look at all these duds. Go look at them and come over and see what we're doing. See why we are top rated. Do it right now. Go on, leave. Go watch. You'll see them all.
Don't waste your time and just come stay here.
Yeah, you'll just see them all staring into outer space like this. This is what you're going to get for hours. Just this. This is what you're going to get for hours. Nobody's doing anything. You're just staring. Zero education, zero training. Just sitting there all day long. Go on.
If you were in this room paying attention and you had even a little account, we talked about AGMH. The original pull was around $6.20-30. The break above VWAP, we talked about getting in at $7.20. It's now cracked $16 and it's headed for more. And we've called out the sale and the repurchase, support and resistance the whole way along, so you can even get the overlaps. But the thing of it is I don't want you to sit there and get the free sample and make just crushing 100% trades today. We want to show you how to do it so that when you're sitting at home, eating Cheetos, watching TV, you can do this on your own.
Yep, exactly. And look at SPY. We've called it literally all day, 2 hours, right?
Entry after entry after
yeah,
entry
the
after
whole
entry.
thing, constantly, the whole setup and why and where and when and How about this? There's 266 of us left in here in our Zoom, right? Did anybody make any money today? Open your mics, let the world know. Otherwise, throw it up in the Zoom or put it in the P&L. Did anybody make any money today?
Go, go, go.
Yes, sir. Yes, coach.
Really close to a comma here.
Yes, sir.
Nice.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Good stuff.
AGMH is really off the chain.
Yeah,
well, and
it
you would
is.
know how to stay in that trade if you were in here too, because we talk about that in the afternoons.
Yeah, look at it.
So from basically $7.25 to $17.25, you would have known how to do it. You would have been able to catch the overlaps, probably 300% on one stock with cash.
Yeah, and a minimal amount, right? So that's perfect for small accounts because that's everything we talk about for small accounts. It's perfect, right? Small dollar price.
How much does it cost to get how much does it cost to get in here and check it out?
Free.
If you don't believe in yourself enough to get a free membership, you got to investment spend in yourself in order to do something in life. No matter what you do, you're going to investment spend in education. You have to invest in yourself to move forward in life. And this literally costs you nothing to get in and find out.
Yeah, it is absolutely free. You know what? I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna bring somebody over right now from TikTok. I'm gonna give you a month of premium membership. I'm gonna drag you over here, kicking and screaming, right now, to start training and educating you. Everybody over on TikTok right now. TikTok, I see you right now. Who would like to get a free month premium? It's a $125 membership right now, so you can start training with literally the best traders this world has ever seen before. I want to see it right now. Come on, put them in there. Let's go. Let's go.
DZ, can we call that amount? Can we call that amount out on the live? Just type a yes or no.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, Coach. Did you see that in the Zoom chat?
Yeah. Is it amazing? Let me look. Somebody do something.
$58,000 by one of our members today.
Yes. Oh, I see it. Yes. Yes. Oh, that's my mentoree.
58K.
Derek, is that you?
Yes, sir.
Shut the door.
Shut the front door.
Shut the front door. That's just so you guys know, right? That's who I'm training right now. That's the one that I keep calling out. That's Derek. He's made $58,000 today.
Go ahead and drop the mic, Coach.
Yep. Boom. That's awesome.
Just close the live. Close the live. We're done.
I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it.
Play the money train.
Yeah, I wish I don't have my damn sound effects down here, but that is absolutely incredible. Think about this for a minute, right? When you guys are like, oh, the coach is so expensive, right? He paid me $100K for a year. He's made almost all of that today, right? Well, half, a little over half. One day, boom, done, right?
And Don, he can't drop the mic. It's on a tensioner in a bar. Hello.
Yeah, exactly. It's not sponsored by Cialis. This thing is up. It could be up now for hours.
Damn technical loopholes.
In fact, if it stays up this long, I might have to call a doctor.
Yep. have to get it aspirated.
That's right. That's right. Oh my. Any drummer says this is real, up 12% today. Great job. Great job. I see you all. So here's what we're going to do. Obviously, you need to be following, right? I see everybody is following. So make sure you are following. Oh, nice job. You took calls on Tesla at the open at 415 strike for 315. Took profits at 1025. Nice job. Nice job. Stop the scam, says somebody. That's awesome. That's my favorite. Stop the scam, as people are making millions today.
Literally.
All right, here we go. So here's what I want. So now that I have everybody's attention, anybody who wants that free premium membership for a month, that's $125 value, put in there anything you've learned, how it can help you, right? Give me a little bit of your story if you want. Moderators, which moderator do I have over on TikTok? Nobody. Okay, I'll pick it. All right, let me see them. Post them. Let me make this long. Start posting right now over on TikTok while we're doing that. You know what to do with the screens, right? You know what to do with the screens because they don't want us to say it anymore. God forbid, you know, they're forcing us to do all the things for the algorithm, but we can't say anything. Do the things. You know what to do. Make sure you're following. Appreciate you. Thank you for those gifts, Nat, Aaron, Akeem. Appreciate you. You need help with entry and exits. Okay, great. Trader says mentored by Mark McC. You're being mentored by Mark. Okay, great. Leighton says your EMA lines have taught me so much. Okay, love it. How to read a chart. I'm a father of 4 boys. Wife stays at home. Background in sales. Nice job, Brian. Come on, everybody, post them. This is your chance to get a free month to start working with us. Here's what I'm going to ask of you, though, if you're going to take the month. I've never asked this because usually you guys will come in, you get the little free thing, and then you don't give a crap. You're like, well, I got it for free, so I'm not going to cherish it. I'm not going to do anything with it. Whoever I give this to you for free, I want to hear you in a month. I want to know in a month how you're doing, what you learned, and the things that you get out of this. Because there is nothing I hate worse than me giving away literally millions of dollars in discounts and sales and free stuff, and people come in and just don't care about it. So if you're not going to care, I don't want to hear from you. I'm here for the dad jokes. What's up, Sergio? Is that the last of them? Trader says, I'm here for Sergio. Everybody's, you guys are awesome. Everybody's doing crazy stuff. All right, this one I'm going to give to Brian. Brian, was it Brian? Let me make sure. Hold on, let me double check it. Yes, Brian, B-R-Y-A-N. How to read a chart. Father of 4 boys. Wife stays at home. Background in sales. Right? Brian,
Come on down.
Come on down. You just won a free month of premium membership, which means go to American Dream Trading. You got to do this right now, Brian. Go to americandreamtrading.com. Click join the community. Verify your account. You're going to get an email. It's going to say, click this button to verify your account. Do the things, right? Put in your full name, phone number if it asks. No, we're not sending you spam. You just have to do it because we don't have bots on our servers, right? That's one thing we just don't allow is a bunch of, we're not trying to boost our numbers. Everybody that's on our server is real. So go on over there right now. AmericanDreamTrading.com. That goes for everybody. You should all be doing this. Click join the community. Once you've joined the community, verified your account, over in the Traders Lounge, just say I'm here. Remember, we will not send you a friend request. We will not direct message you. We will not message you at all. None of that will be from us. So if you get any of those, first thing, turn off direct messages, turn off friend requests. We don't do that over here. Once you pop in, we are going to verify your account. Moderators, I'm sending you a screenshot of Digital Money Works, which is Brian. I'm going to send that over to you right now so you guys can see it. It's going to be in the customer liaison channel. There you go. Nice. So do that now. Everybody click on that. Everybody should be joining. And don't forget, go to americandreamtrading.com. I can't say the whole thing. You're just going to have to put that together. So go to American Dream Trading on the website. How's that? Click join the community. From there, if you guys want to, you can also sign up for a free weekly membership to that premium account. By the way, that's stocks and options. You're going to get training with us in a live Zoom session from 8:45 to 4 o'clock every day. You're going to get all those hot stock picks, which is most of them you keep hearing us yelling out, right? You're going to get that pre-market setup where we give you those key critical areas you'll use at the bell and throughout the day. You're going to get all the IPO stuff, right? Which is another one that's been running. So all the IPOs, you're going to get it first. And you're going to get some starter training videos, 11 training videos to get you started. You'll be able to ask questions inside of our room. We've got a full help desk service here. We've got 20 moderators standing by to assist you. This is the real deal over here. No kiddie crap. This is serious business over here, right? So come on over, Brian. Again, congratulations to you and everybody that's been following along. I appreciate each and every one of you. Brian, I cannot wait to hear how much you've learned in a month from being in this room with us. And don't forget, just because I sign off around 11 o'clock, like Palm said, we've got so many training, amazing moderators and self-made millionaires inside of the room, the best stock market traders the world has ever seen, right? Come on over, check it out, see what's going on. Yes, we see you. Brian, have you said anything over in the Traders Lounge yet? Are you over there in the Traders Lounge? Have you said good morning or hello or it's me? I don't see you yet. Do it right now. Oh, you're talking. Okay, wait. What do you mean? What do you mean you're talking to Bruno? Where are you talking to Bruno at? Bruno, are you in here? Are you talking to Brian or is he being scammed right now?
Bruno got
Bruno
some
put in the. He's
Miranda, what'd you say, hon? I didn't catch it.
Bruno got some.
Okay, Bruno got. Okay.
They're probably on. Yep.
Okay, got you. They might be on the WAP background or something weird.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Got
I
you.
didn't
All
want
right.
to say it. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, it's okay.
He said his
Perfect.
mic is broken. Bruno's mic is broken.
Oh, I got you. Okay, no problem. Thank you, everybody.
Small accounts, account CJet, Charlie, Juliet, Echo Tango.
Thank you.
That's so funny, Don. It's my second time in there today.
Oh, nice.
Well, wait, third, actually.
Very nice.
Way to
Very
go.
nice. Candle Wax says the push is excessive and a little concerning and don't trust what you're selling. I don't care. Leave. I really don't care. I tell you about my products and services twice a day, and I'm just trying to give you guys a free membership. If you don't like it, get the hell out of here. I don't give a shit.
Yeah,
I really
capitalism
don't.
sucks.
Just beat it. I don't care. Bye. Go.
Coach,
Go watch the little
Coach.
kids
Is it
do
know it's
selling
bad
if
when
you're
you're
giving
getting-
it away?
Yeah, I'm
Is it
trying
Yeah,
to
I
give
was
away
about
a
to say,
membership.
you know it's
Hold on one
bad when you
second.
get caught
Yeah,
up
yeah.
for
Yeah.
free
Hold on one
stuff.
second.
Yeah, go ahead.
Hold on one second. Let me address this. If you're not smart enough to see what's going on, if you're not smart enough to see what's going on with the candles, see the prices, take a look at the chart. If you don't have the most fundamental understanding, if you can't see that kind of money is being made on those types of moves, you're not smart enough to even begin to make comments on this thread.
There you go.
Because the reality of it is you just have so far to go. I mean, you first of all, you have to be smart enough to understand what's going on here, and clearly you're not. So if you want to be a fool, go be a fool somewhere else.
Oh, look what you guys did now. You woke the beast.
Told.
You awoke
Tell
the
him,
beast.
Paul. Get him.
Told.
Let out the bulldog.
Oh my. Oh my. So there you go. Yep. Haters, see you later. Right. Bye-bye. So anyways, listen, I appreciate everybody being here. It's been another amazing job. Palm, thank you for the dual banjo trading today. As always, it's been a blast. Thank you, moderators, and everybody that helps put on this program. I do appreciate you all every single day. You guys are awesome. Without you, we would not have what we're doing today. So I appreciate it. Just still be the old man. You'd be staring still probably at the back of my head going, what's this guy talking about? That used to be the show, right? So anyways, thank you guys. Thank you to Bruno, Bucko, Chris, David, Doug, Eric's Moto, Jeffrey, Dom, Mark, Miranda, Eminem, Palm Coast, Ralph, Richard, Unhappily a Housewife, Gilly, Diesel, Dan, Mountain Man, and Juan, our full-time editor. Speaking of full-time editing, if you guys haven't seen our stuff, make sure you head over to our YouTube channel. We've got like literally over 2,000 training videos, tons of shorts, all sorts of cool stuff. Again, Brian, congratulations to you today for winning a premium membership that is $125 value. We're very excited to work with you. We cannot wait to show you what we're doing over here. I think you're about to find out, right, the difference between staring over the fence and actually being involved. You're very welcome. So I appreciate you, man. Listen, thank you to all my military family. Anybody that's serving or that has served, we appreciate and honor you every single day. Thank you to my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah, there it is.
Okay, that one, I like that one.
That's the one. That's the one.
That sounded real.
Yeah, it was. All right. Thank you, everybody. Love your faces. I hope you either made some money or you learned something today. Remember, stock market trading is very hard. Make sure you follow all of those rules that we discuss every single day. We're trying to help you protect your assets while growing your portfolios. If you guys are trying to be rogue and being silly and, doing weird stuff, you will blow up your accounts. You won't like it. Remember to paper trade, paper trade, paper trade. Journal this journey. And thank you again for being with us here at American Dream Trading. I'm out. See ya. Moderators, you have control of the board.
Later, Coach.
Thank you, guys. Appreciate it.
Thank you for